let's do whole notes. If you know you're in tune, I really want you to practice your vibrato because our first song, you really want to give it a lot of vibrato. So if you're not focusing, if you're like, if you need to worry about the notes, fine, worry about the notes. But if you got the notes, which is a pretty easy scale, every single note, except for G, open G, I want you to vibrate, okay? Good. This is the speed we'll do. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and while you're at it, just go ahead and use your whole bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, C. Vibrato. Shaky, shaky. 3, 4. More vibrato. 2, 3. And then G again. G again. And then open A. And then 1 on A for B. 2, 3. C natural. 3. Try to give a nice vibrato. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Low 2 on E. And then same note. Low 2 on E. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3 on A. Low 2. 2. Yep, shake it any way you can. 2, 3, 4. A. 2, 3, 4. 2. G. G again. G. Now high 2 for F sharp. 2, 3, 4. E. 2, 3, 4. G. 2. C. 3 on G. 2 on G. 3, 4. 1. 2. Good. All right, so now right now we're gonna go right on to G minor. So G minor has 2 flats. They are B flat and E flat. 1, so whole notes again. 1, starting at open G. 1, 2, lots of vibrato. 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3. B flat. Good. C, whole step. Yeah. D, 2, 3, 4. E flat. Low 1. Good. 3. Whole step to F. Yep. Whole step to G. Good. Vibrate if you can. G again. G again. 2, 3. Now A. Open A. Okay, 4, yeah, it's fine. Low 1. 3. Low 2 for C. 3. Whole step to D. 3. Low 4 for E flat. Low 1 for F. Good. Low 1. That's low 2 now. Good. G again. Lots of vibrato if you can. As wide as possible. F, 2, 3. E flat. Low 4 on A. Good. D, 2, 3. Now C. Good. B flat. 2, 3. A. 2, 3, 4. G. 2, 3. G again. 2. F. Low 2. Good. Low 1 for E flat. D. C. 3 on G. Good. Low 2 on good. All right, so what we're gonna do is let's do for half notes this time. We're gonna do G major, ascending, and then when you go to descend, I want you to do G minor. So we're gonna do G major for 2 octaves up, and then when we hit that G again for the 2 octaves down, that'll be G minor. This is the easiest this is gonna get, by the way. Okay, ready? Half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. A. B natural. C. A2. Good. G again. A. B. C. Good. G again. F natural. E flat. G. C natural. B flat. Low 1. A. G. G again. F. E flat. D. C. B flat. Good. So now, you guys are pretty good on that. I'm going to show you the next one though. G minor for 2 octaves up, and G major for 2 octaves down. Minor up, major down. Ready? Half note still. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, G again, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, G again, F sharp, E natural, D, we're going major, C natural, B natural, A, G, G again, F sharp, E natural, D, C, okay, took you a second to catch on there, but you got it. All right, so now let's do the same thing but in quarter notes. So in order to do the same thing, we'll go minor up, major down. So the speed is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now major, F sharp, yeah. G again. Good, you're almost ready for the next one, which I'm gonna do anyway. So the next one is we're gonna alternate every octave, and this is part of the reason I wanted to keep those repeated tonics in. So let's start major and then minor. So what we're gonna do is major, minor on the way up, major, minor on the way down. So it's gonna sound like this. I'll do it faster so you don't have to sit here too long. Major, minor, major, but you'll have about twice as long to think about each note, because that was about 8 minutes. I'll just call out major, minor, right? Here we go. Again, your speed is major, 1, So major, minor, major, minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, major. Minor. B flat. Major. Minor. Very good. Now we're going to reverse it. Minor, major, minor, major. 1, 2, 3, 4, minor. Major. Minor. Major. Good. So I feel like that one's a little easier. So in the group class resources, all right, so you guys up for a challenge? Oh, nice. These guys are. All right, so the next challenge is alternate every 4 notes. So you know how a scale is 8 notes? So the first 4 notes, or sorry, 4 of those notes, the first 4, but also the last 4 is called a tetrachord. So in a major scale, the sequence of steps would be whole step, half step on the first tetrachord. And on the second tetrachord, it's also whole step, half step. Now, in between those, there is a whole step connecting it, and that would give us our whole, half, whole, half. So we're going to switch at every tetrachord. So we're going to switch for half of the scale. Yet another reason we have this exact number of notes in our scale. So major, minor, on the way up and on the way down. But it's going to be major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, but twice as slow. So you're going to go. Here we go. I'll call them out. Don't worry. Here we go on major. 1, 2, 3, 4, major. Minor. Yep. Major. Minor. Major. Minor. Major. Minor. Very good. So the faster you can do that, the faster you can think and change gears.